Day 7. Gore Logistics made it back. What's going on, Ty?
What's up?
Did you sleep in that last night?
No, I got no sleep.
Can you hear me?
You haven't slept yet?
I have not slept yet.
Greg, the front end's back on.
Now can I go for a ride?
Yeah, you can go for a ride. It's like the magic school bus. And the Mark V's completely cleaned out, which is the craziest part because this car's always, and I mean always, full of tools. And we're going with no tools. Busted ass fender. This whole fender was just tucked up underneath the wheel, and it is
What it is.
Oh my God.
everybody load up, we're going to school. Greg, you have what we call birthing hips. Bro, oh my gosh. Side skirts are back on. Tie's fucking loaded down. Bro, you look like you're in like a 80s like horror movie with this fucking headliner. It just looks like some limo bullshit.
Big pimpin'.
Big pimpin'. How is it, Greg?
I like it!
Yeah, baby! Yeah!
Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby!
Greg, we're about to go under a bridge.
What are we doing?
You get out of this damn thing.
Like my butt?
Just like that,
Just
buddy.
like that.
Yo, I can't believe this dude's still wearing his Bucky suit. He's locked in. Fucking fenders are cooked, bro. So cooked. Oh, this one's not bad. That's what was rubbing, though. Oh, it's ripped. Can you film this real quick? Bro, it's fucking ripped. Fucking goddamn. It's actually like sharp too.
No good.
We gotta drive it home. It's fucking cooked. That's why we're sponsored by Simple Tire though. Anything I need, Simple Tire. So if you need tires shipped right to your house, order your tires from Simple Tire. Best wholesaler in the country. Greg, where'd you learn how to stir? Bro's wearing a Bucky's outfit in Jersey.
I haven't even dropped a single dime
Look
on
at
it
that
yet.
stirring. Look at that, dude. That's
I haven't
just
even
like
dropped out of the cup yet.
perfection right there. It's right up on the rim.
I'm telling your girlfriend, bro, you've been practicing too much.
Shit, but that's coffee taste in the morning. I mean afternoon.
What time is it?
4:17.
I didn't even eat yesterday. Good
I
boy.
feel like I'm Alex Whittick right now.
Third cup of coffee of the day.
Yeah, you hear him go, what is coffee in the morning on his videos?
Yeah, dude. The frozen coffee is what everyone loves. I gotta get back on frozen coffee.
Dude, he's up there with my boss, man. My boss be drinking like 12 coffees a day. Dunkin' Donuts just sponsor him.
Dude, sounds like a D-gen. Sounds like my type of guy. That's like twisted nuts. I was gonna pay, but I refused to give money to Monster, so
Sorry, I don't like coffee.
Greg had to pay.
It's alright.
That's Greg's son, so it makes sense.
Thank you for shopping at Wawa.
I got my, whatever this
It's
is.
just like good boy.
Glazed
man.
twist. Good fucking boy.
Good fucking boy. So the way you get in is you just let your ass fall in the seat. How's it going, Ty?
It's going good.
Greg, how's it going?
It's bumpy as shit back here.
I don't know what they're talking about. It's a green tomato, baby. God damn. Paul, dude, next to this wall. You ready for this? Yeah, baby! Everybody stay calm, stay calm. That was the police.
They went that way.
We love our fans. If that was you in the... What color was that thing?
Burgundy. Red.
Burgundy Jeep?
Yeah.
What's up, motherfucker? Greg's in timeout.
I'm in timeout. It won't open. There we go.
Bro, ever since I fucking had to pull this out and initiate the lock like that. Oh, bro, you could step on the side skirt. All it'll do is just fold in. Step on it for the vlog. Yeah, you see that? Zip ties, house vinyl siding plastic.
Oh, watch.
Right back, baby.
Right back, baby.
Just like that. And look at us. We're back at the house. We're chilling. We're vibing.
I'm not cool. I get a monster.
As it flew all over me up there.
What's all over you?
Coffee.
As long as it's not on my fucking back seat.
It isn't.
I wouldn't care. I got a whole black interior for this car. I keep that interior in there because I just don't care if it gets wrecked. So, yeah, keep your fucking coffee out of my car.
Okay.
Did you guys enjoy your trip?
Very much.
A lot. It was beautiful. Very bouncy, but it was so much fun.
Oh, you arrived back in one piece with a little bit of scrambled brains. Besides that, though.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Lock in, twin! Lock in! Lock in, twin.
Lock in, twin.
Yo, I had to show these boys what a rowdy time the tilted TDI is. Bro, 2-wheel fucking peel all the way up the drive ski. That's from a year ago. This is from today.
That looks like a bicycle burnout.
Dude, good observation.
This guy said it.
Whoa.
That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That's what our lives are depending on, is the 2 inches of contact patch while we're doing the speed limit.
1 inch.
1 fucking inch. Greg just had an amazing observation, which is, if you're a stance guy, they already know this, but they just noticed. If you're a stance guy, you leave the stickers on your tires. If you don't leave the stickers on your tires, you're a fucking weirdo, or you get your tires filled up or beaded by someone who's not a stance person. Mm-hmm. Dude. Tennessee and back, baby. Still got sticker on the fucking tire. And the tires actually look brand new. Han's seat's been in the lawn for literally 3 hours. Just casual $4,000 sitting in the lawn.
Nobody knows.
Yeah, literally it just looks like trash. Surprised no one stole my tripod. Guys,
I don't even know how to use it.
Yo, I signed Greg's dash, and what, in GAT, or was it before I left?
No, GAT.
Oh, it was at your house.
Mm-hmm.
Greg said he's gonna clear coat it. I like that idea. I can get behind that. I'll actually sponsor the clear coat. So if you want to make a video of us clear coating your brand new 5th gen's dash, oh, I got you. All right, y'all, vlog's over. Greg's out of here. We gave him a ride. We unloaded. We love Greg. If you need anything hauled across the country, hit up Gore Logistics right there, baby. Bye, Greg. Love you.
Love you.
If you're not already, you should subscribe. We got more videos like this coming. We're back on the YouTubes. We're trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, like the video and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.